P-Cola is a popular soft drink in Ghana. You can start a fire with ice. Kissing someone is more sanitary than shaking hands. Friends share more DNA than strangers. Scientists can identify individual zebras by scanning their stripes like a barcode. 70% of the time, ice from fast food restaurants was dirtier than toilet water. The longest kiss ever recorded lasted 58 hours and 35 minutes. Actor Daniel Radcliffe once wore the same outfit for 6 months to make paparazzi angry. The first American woman to win an Olympic event received a porcelain bowl instead of a gold medal. Most drivers think they are a better-than-average driver. In the 16th century Europe, it was believed that eating a tomato could turn you into a werewolf.